how to draw the snowman from Elf. We're going to start with his nose, and it's just a line down and a little curve up for his nose. And then we'll draw the glasses. The line starts right above the nose, and then it's a curve up along on an angle with the nose. And then he has a mustache, and then his mouth, the little lip, and then a little bit of hair down, and then fluffy eyebrows come around as a curve, and then stop, and then curve it on the other side. And then this will be the hat, so we're going to start over here and curve it, and then bring two lines down and a curve for the bottom of the top of the hat. Just a little line down because we have to save room for his hand. And then this side will come down for his elbow. Start with a bigger circle up here for his staff that he's holding. And then stop, and then you can put the hand in, which is just up and then a curve down, and then you do the next curve down, and then the next curve. And then when you put the circle in here, it looks like his hands are holding it. Then the inside of his sleeve. And then down for his side of his coat. And then this comes over, that's the rest of his arm. And now we'll draw his tie. Just a triangle to the left, point to the right, and then across, and then an angle down, and another angle to the right, and then to the point, right here, to a point. And then his coat just comes around the tie and down past his waist. And the same for this side. Matching. And then this is the collar on his coat. And then this side the same. And then his hand over here is a little different. He has his hand on his waist. So just draw a thumb like that. And then one finger loop there. Another one, another smaller one, and then inside his sleeve. And then just the big ball, just a big U. Oops. Okay, just a big U for his body. And then lines for snow. Just going to use a lighter brown crayon and a darker brown. And going to color in his hat. And gray for his glasses. Just a light blue crayon around the edge a little bit. And that's an easy snowman from the movie Elf.